Okay, folks, this is me making my attempt at my first day back in the woodshop in a bunch of days due to a very bad back. Hey, folks, Joe out here in the old woodshop again, and as you can see, I'm working on a paddle here. This is one end of a two-piece Greenland paddle. The other end here will be going up on the rack next, and get that all shaped out. Where's my coffee? I need my coffee. Oh, moving a little bit slow. This is actually my first day working out here in, let's just say, several days. A little while back, while doing a weight training workout down in the basement where I have a little home gym, I kind of tweaked something in my back right down here, and didn't feel too bad at first. So I finished my workout and went to bed that night. All was fine, a little sore. The next day, I watched a lot of Netflix and YouTube the next day. I could barely sit down in my chair properly. I could barely get out of my chair properly. That's how sore it was. Took literally 15 minutes of moving around in the morning before I could even bend over enough to get my socks on, which is just ridiculous. A couple of days later, it took just a few minutes of moving around, loosening up, get the socks on. Today, almost back to normal. Well, not quite back to normal. I can do everything I could do before pretty much, but there is still a little bit of back pain down here, so I'm trying to go easy. We got a big snowstorm warning going on right now. It's supposed to start overnight. We got some snow a few days ago, and I had only cleared a little bit of that from the driveway and around the yard. So I did some more of that earlier this afternoon. Got the snow blower parked over right there, right behind where the camera is. So that'll be ready to go tomorrow or Friday if I need it. Probably will. So out here trying to do a little bit of work on the paddles, a little spoke shaving and so on and so forth. And I get a little bit done, but not working at full speed yet, that's for sure. But working on it. And yeah, I got a couple other things I want to talk about. Oh, we're going to separate it into two different things. We're going to hold on a second. We're going to take the phone off the tripod and go handheld for a second, and we'll finish this part up. Okay. So I got the camera in my hands now. Another thing that happened the last day I was working out here on the bandsaw. Zoom out a little bit as I get closer. Running the paddle through and cut the blade, snap the blade. So I gotta change the blade on that. I got another paddle I gotta run through that soon as well. Fortunately, I have one spare bandsaw blade hanging on the wall up here. So I should be feeling good enough tomorrow to putter around a little bit more. I'll fix up the bandsaw, get that going. Hold on a second. I'll get the bandsaw fixed up tomorrow and see if I can get actually a fairly productive day out here working on paddles and different things. Especially if it's storming outside throughout most of the day. I won't be doing much snow removal until it stops. And then it's all kind of dependent on the back as well. We'll see how that all goes. And yeah, so it's trying to get back into it. Back hurts, but you know, it's only pain. Pain's temporary. And it will go away. I just got to go slow and let it heal up. So that's what's going on out here in the wood shop. It is, what's the date today? February 11th, December 17th. So just over a week till Christmas. A week ago tomorrow was actually my birthday. I didn't do any video or anything on that, but 1 year older, one more lap around the sun completed. That's 60 laps done now, and I'll probably get 2 or 3 laps left in me. Should be able to make it 62 or 63 maybe. We'll see how that goes. And yeah, that's about it for now. So a little woodshop update. I'm going to start another video doing the footage on it in just a minute where we're going to be talking about the garage, bikes, and a bike shop. Stay tuned for that.